Hey guys, welcome to DevOpsSchool. Today we are going to learn about Sonarqube. Sonarqube is an open source platform for continuous inspection of code quality. It's a tool to measure and analyze the quality of source code. It is developed with a main objective in mind: make code quality management accessible to everyone with minimal efforts. Anything that affects code base from minor styling details to critical design errors is inspected and evaluated by Sonarqube, which helps software application developers to identify the issue and its effect. But before that, let me ask you a few things. Are you dreaming of a career with higher pay and more responsibilities? Or are you ready to take your skills to the next level this year? Then start investing in DevOpsSchool certification level courses, which will help you to emerge skills for a wide range of entry level roles and as well as higher potential future positions. But with thousands of courses online and in classroom worldwide, finding the right one for your career goals can be difficult. You can consider our courses like Agile Developer, Agile QA, DevOps Certified Professionals, Site Reliability Engineering, DevSecOps, and Masters in DevOps Engineering, where you will have access to well-structured, easy-to-follow course content that has been developed and will be delivered by industry professionals. You can join on our training programs globally through online platforms, and if you are looking for classroom workshops, then we have regular sessions available in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi NCR, Mumbai, and in Pune. Simply compare our many courses, find the one that suits your style and schedule best, and start today.
Tools. I've seen most of the.
I think I've missed out. I think I've wavered a little bit.
What is that?
No. I think I've wavered a little bit. So I'm just trying to do things parallelly along with you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
let me just download a thing for what's it called?
which one?
Can you just send the link to where you have got the source code from?
Okay, source code I got it from here in the chat window I'm putting up.
Yeah, just put in the chat window. Because I have a Docker thing running. I just wanted to do it. Okay, I'm in the same place. This one is C#, right?
This is the .NET C# project, yeah.
Build wrapper. Okay, got it. Cool. So let me just download this thing. Where is that? Where is download?
Can we move on?
Oh, 1 minute, man. Let me just get your place, all right? Because if not, it's going to be a problem.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so now I place this here. Let's run this command again. And I have to close this one time to see, not this. C# project, CMD, and copy paste this command. So, okay, this did.
This
Hello?
conference will now be recorded.
You're following.
Yeah, okay. So here, what I did this, if I enable this extension.
Yeah, you can see the extension.
Yeah. So here it should be txt, and I think I should delete this.
Okay, there was already a file.
Oh, there was a file. I don't know how come I missed it. Already a file. I checked that before creating it, but it's anyways. So here, And so now login password. Can I give this here? Wait a second. I think host URL property name, correct? Sonar.login. I'm going to set this. What was the password I set? I forgot actually. Here it is. Here. And this one I will leave it as it is. Okay. This one I leave it as it is. I'm not connecting to any JDBC server and stuff like that. So it's not required. And I will also read this one carefully once because many changes keeps happening it. So I would avoid that stuff. And then go to cmd and run this command. And now I think it's done. So this is done analysis. Can I build the project? Wait a second. This is the SLN bit. Oh. This is a SLN building at current location. Okay. Now
the SLN file will be already present, right, in the project thing?
In the source code, you will be having that file, no?
Okay. Not something we create, right?
No. Okay. Now you see here, msbuild.exe is not recognized as an external command. So why is that so? So msbuild is set in this directory. C tools and Windows, Microsoft framework here. So I will do one thing. I'll set this path also. Why is not coming here?
No, just in start, just type it as advanced system.
Just a second. Now in my Windows, if I type, then it comes.
Okay. Just type advanced system and it shows up.
No, this is not coming.
Advanced, there's a D. Usually it comes.
No, actually it's a server version. No, those are not there. No problem. No problem. So here I will add this path to new, added this ms build installed. Okay, done. cmd and run this command one more time. Enter. Okay, close, exit this, reload this once again, run this. Now it's building the project. Now there is a one error, and that error is related to the code compilation. It says okay, let me pause this recording.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we did quite a lot of troubleshooting, and what we concluded is the .NET, the MS Build version which we were using for this command were not right. So what we did is we installed we installed from the .NET from two options. This is the one options, and this is the second options. This is the second option. Now, if I follow the first option, then .NET MS Build will be installed in this location, which is programs and build tools, MS Build, not build tool. I think this is the one here, bin, and here. And if you install the Visual Studio, then I use Visual Studio 2019 community version, and I forgot the path actually.
Yeah, MS Build is right inside that.
Yeah, community version and MS Build current bin and stuff like that. So MS Build current bin. Okay, so this is the path. So initially I got some error saying that path is not found, but again I run one more times or two more times to fix that issue. Now, why did it first time it did not detect, and why second time it did detect? Because I did not do any changes. Still, it's mystery for me, but this is what it is. So I will, yeah. So still I will run one more time just to check that if it is an accident or something. So first it worked. Second, again, there's no complaint. This time I don't know what was that reason. And last one is the end. So in MS Build, when you do that scanning through the Sonarqube server, it required that build to happen, and that is what this is needed. Now let me tell you, this build you can do through the Visual Studio console also. That is possible. Now, if you're using the .NET Core, then you can use this step. So in that case, you have to use this step. So if you're using .NET Core, then either this one or this one. So three options has been given. So either you use this one or this one or this one. So first one I tried, second one you have to do using this.
So which of these is used for web application? Do they use .NET Core or do they use just the normal?
No, here all are for the same reason. I mean, it's up to you, whichever you are using.
No, I understand that, but it also depends, right? If it's just a normal C# file, then yes, cool, normal MS Build will do. But if it's a web application, I think .NET Core comes into place, right? It might be the case the build tool is .NET Core.
Yeah, we have to check this. Maybe .NET Core SDK 1.3.1, which is basically for the, so you can try this one also. By the way, in the Docker, they are using this method. In the Docker images, they are using this method. Okay, so let's move on. So now what we did is, this is all the stuffs we did for Visual Studio. Sorry, MS Build. Now you want me to show you the Gradle also? Do you need a Gradle?
Gradle, what do we use for?
Gradle is a one more build tool based on the Groovy, and this is for the Groovy project. If you are using Java plus Groovy sort of project, and in fact C++ project also Gradle is being used. So it's a mix of it.
Normal C, which one do they use?
C, there is no as such project. Maven is for Java.
You have to create one.
So manual way you can go manual way. Yeah. So which one you want right now? Which is you need it? You tell me quickly.
Can you create one for C program? You can.
So you need some sort of C, right? So let me try to convert into the steps first, because logic is important. So first thing, you get it, download the C program. So there is a compiler, I forgot the name. Just a second. C compiler, and that is BCC. install
Which one do they use for
GCC,
enterprise application
GCC. I think which compiler do you use for this? GCC, right?
No, that is normal C program, normal C.
But compiler is needed, no?
You know, some there should be some other compiler or a specific kind of package that are being used for developing enterprise applications, right?
No. C is a different. C is not having any framework. If I can recollect correctly, I don't know because I just did coding in college time. So C++, I know there's a framework. C, I don't know. Let me check. Like a Visual Studio is a framework for the .NET, ASP.NET.
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm asking is, the GCC is a very common compiler.
Right.
Correct? So instead of GCC, there are a lot of compilers for C and C++. Correct?
Yes. Turbo C is there. I used in my college time.
Turbo C. That is GCC, which is one of the oldest one, and like few other flavors of the C compiler.
Right.
So I was asking if you would know which compiler they use for enterprise application development.
Depends. Any compilers you can use it. Let's say I have seen GCC most of the time. Turbo C I used to use it in my college time. But let me tell you, be honest, I've never did the huge development on that, so I cannot comment on that part. Yeah, but if you want the analysis,
I think Visual Studio also has its own thing, but I think it takes not really sure.
Cannot comment.
Okay.
So
okay, no problem. Let's go ahead.
Yeah.
Maybe I can try something and then I will fish something.
Yeah. So first thing before running the analysis, I am just trying to find it out. Do we have a rules for C or not? So first I'll find out rules for C. So I'll go to the rules. And do we have a languages? And do we have a C? And I think I see C is not there. So can I go to the administration? Can I go to the marketplace? Can I go to the plugin area? Can I go to the C? And
I don't think so. I have to check.
Check style.
It's not available in.
Okay, let me check static
SCF for this thing.
C lang. Just a second. Hold on. OSIS. Okay, just a second. Hold on. Static code analysis for C. I think those who's using C++, I think you can use for C also. I'm just guessing, though I cannot tell you with the confidence. I think so. Yeah. So I think you can use for C program also. So let's do one thing. Let's try it out. There's no harm in this trying it out. You want me to show you that?
Sure, please.
So download GitHub C example programs. So I'm just downloading some of the C example program, and which is here. Now there's so many programs which I'm having right now. I want to analyze everything. So go to my machine, CentOS, here mkdir. Okay, others git clone. This is the project. I'll move this name from bigger to C. Now C, I will go here and I will create all mkdir src mv everything to SRC. Now here I will create one property file. So for that I will have sonar here and property. I'll just copy my template because it's comfortable for me. And here I will change that to, this is the one, CPP. I'm changing CPP, okay? Project name I am changing my CPP, my CCP, version 1, SRC, language CPP, profile not needed, compiled directory we need it, but it just should be empty.
It's a Java library. Parameter.
Where?
Sonar.java.
Okay, so I think I'll comment it. Yeah, this is not needed. And encoding. So I think I changed this all required. Now file name is vi properties done. Now I will run the scanner on this source code. Now where is the scanner? So it should be back scanner bin path. I will copy it here, and this is the one. Now, by the way, manual you can run on the physical source code also. So any source code, so no problem. And running. Now I run this code CPP and I see that they have taken my profile. Yeah, if you look at it very carefully, they have taken my profile, CSS, no CSS and all, that's okay. This okay, coverage is not there. Let me check directly over there. So I go here, click on this one. I think I named the project my CCP. So here my CCP, here it is. And I see there is no issues. Okay, so code has not been detected at all. So did I did any mistake?
No, it's just that it doesn't have the scanner for
C language, right? Okay, just a second.
Because
one more.
Looking for other signatures, it just missed out C.
Okay, one more thing, just a second, just to my clarification. CPP, can I replace with a C or something? I'm just looking out this because I never tried C language ever.
Sure.
So what are the deprecated language? Okay, it's got deprecated but still active. Lang okay, I'll try to comment this and try to run one more try. And this one, run it. And I see that they have indexed 136.5, but on what basis? So here, refresh. Okay, so as of now, not able to do that. Probably I'll do this research offline and I'll let you know. Okay. Okay, so now as per the discussion, so anything else you want to see here? Here, you just tell me.
no, this thing, right? Sorry, I'm on mute. Sure. I thought I was on mute. There was this one thing that we wanted to check. It was built, yeah, the Jenkins one.
Jenkins one. Let me do that quickly. So this is my machines. Java is installed, so I have to install the Jenkins. So let me quickly do that. So I'll put the steps first, and then you will not get lost.
When you say Jenkins, are you talking about the continuous integration, continuous development thing?
Yes.
Okay.
So here, this is for Jenkins. Okay, I'll put the step number 1, install Jenkins server. Okay, step number 2, install Sonarqube plugin. Step number 3, configure Sonarqube server in Jenkins setting config. Step number 4, set up scanner in Jenkins tools. Step number 5, download source code using Jenkins job and run. Okay, so this is the 5 steps which I'm going to show you. So now let's get started. So how do we install Jenkins? There's so many ways to install Jenkins. Just to save time, I have my own instructions. Jenkins. I'm installing the Jenkins. Now Java is installed, so I'm saving some time over there, just not lose more time. This is the way to install the Jenkins. Okay, so quickly I'm doing it. By the way, I should do through sudo -s, so I will not get the permission issues. So I'm installing Jenkins right now in the same server where my Sonarqube server is there. Yum install Jenkins. Now it's being installed. One more thing, here in this machine Java 11 is there. I am not sure about whether Jenkins supporting 11 or not. Jenkins system requirement, and here if I see which is Java version, so Java 8 I have been using, Java 11 I have not used. Okay, great. So it saved my time. So now it supports Java 11 also. Okay, but Java 9 and 10 is not supported, and 12 also not supported. So I think, okay, so I think I could save some time. That's good. So it's in download right now. Okay, so now I have installed the Jenkins. Now I'm going to configure it. So let's start this system here. Jenkins runs on a default 8080 port. Okay, so for that I needed to go for a machine which is this one, an 8080 port, and I will access this one, and here now it will configure. It will take few seconds more to configure. I am the owner of Jenkins, so this is the one, and continue. Now install suggested plugin. So this plugins is needed to have a basic setup and stuff like that.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our Sonarqube session so far, please enroll for our channel membership $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts. Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@DevOpsSchool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.